In the vast and bustling landscape of online business, a pivotal milestone often tantalizes many entrepreneurs, reaching $10,000 in monthly revenue. Yet, despite the proliferation of digital resources and opportunities, most online enterprises stumble before achieving this coveted figure. Why is it that so few manage to break through this significant barrier? Today, we shall explore the often overlooked factors that impede countless online businesses from attaining their $10,000 a month dream. To grasp this phenomenon, let's first consider the relatively low entry barrier of starting an online business. The appeal is universal minimal startup costs, flexibility, and the allure of massive audiences reachable with just a click. However, this accessibility also fosters increased competition. Without a distinctive, value-driven proposition, businesses quickly drown in an oversaturated market. A key reason many do not reach the $10,000 mark is a lack of differentiation. Business owners might choose niches based solely on popularity or trends without offering unique angles or innovations. In such scenarios, standing out becomes arduous. Furthermore, strategy often takes a back seat as founders plunge headlong into operations. Many aspiring online entrepreneurs venture forth with an inadequate understanding of their target audience. By failing to delve deeply into customer insights such as purchasing behaviors, desires, and pain points, businesses miss the mark in product alignment and marketing messaging. Effective communication that resonates on an emotional level becomes nearly impossible when businesses do not truly know whom they are talking to, resulting in lost revenue and stagnant growth. Another critical hurdle is inconsistency in execution and delivery. Building an online presence involves sustained effort across various channels, be it social media, email marketing, or product launches. Yet, enthusiasm fades when instant results do not materialize, leading to a scattershot approach. Regularity fosters trust and positions businesses as reliable sources. Inconsistency, conversely, erodes credibility and potential sales. The constant evolution of algorithms and platform changes further compounds the challenge, necessitating adaptive strategies and persistent engagement. Monetary management also plays a crucial role in this equation. Online businesses often succumb to financial missteps, such as underinvesting in key areas like marketing or overextending resources on premature scaling. Achieving substantial revenue requires judicious allocation of funds toward actions that yield the highest returns. For example, while it may be tempting to splurge on flashy advertisements, a better strategy might involve investing in customer retention and experience enhancement, which fosters long-term loyalty and recurring revenue streams. Moreover, technological neglect can stymie growth prospects. In a digital-centric age, proficiency with analytics tools and marketing software can delineate the line between stagnation and growth. Many businesses shy away from leveraging insights provided by data analytics, fearing complexity or cost. However, data-driven decisions can illuminate customer preferences, optimize conversion rates, and streamline operations, paving the path toward reaching and surpassing the $10,000 threshold. Finally, mindset and resilience often determine the lifespan and success of an online venture. The entrepreneurial journey is seldom linear, replete with challenges and setbacks. A growth-oriented mindset, open to experimentation, learning from failures, and adapting is essential. Unfortunately, when faced with unforeseen obstacles, many entrepreneurs succumb to doubt and burnout, halting progress and revenue potential. As we reflect on these barriers, differentiation, strategy, consistency, financial prudence, technological adaptability, and resilient mindsets, it becomes apparent why many online businesses falter before reaching $10,000 a month in revenue. Yet, understanding these challenges equips aspiring entrepreneurs with the insights needed to navigate and eventually overcome them. By crafting a robust, unique value proposition, attuning to audience needs, and maintaining disciplined execution, businesses can elevate themselves above the noise, inching ever closer to that $10,000 a month mark. In the world of online business, it's not only about having a great idea, but about flawlessly executing a well-thought-out plan that addresses these pivotal aspects. Stay locked in for non-stop side hustle inspiration. Follow and subscribe. Urgent need for income right now? Check out www.kill9to5.com.